Hi everybody, it's Lyn from LynzCraftzDesignz. I'm coming by today because I was super excited, y'all. I saw something yesterday and I don't have any idea where I saw it. I'm thinking it was on Facebook, but it could have just as easily been on Instagram. I tried searching on both. I even tried Googling it. So, I saw somebody did this set of coasters with Frankenstein faces. Oh my god, they were so cute. The only square that I had was this one. So you'll just have to excuse that. But we're gonna demold it first. I'm sorry. It's anticlimactic, I'm sure. It will still need to be domed after I demold it and add the vinyl. Obviously it still needs to be filled on this side, but I'm too excited. So, alright, let's demold it. Okay, you'll just have to excuse all the silver leaf. This is actually just how it came. It came with some gold and silver leaf, and some of it had, let's say, traveled. So cute. Okay, I've already weeded it. I've already put it on the transfer tape. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna actually use the hair or not. They did not. Alright, just take the backing off the transfer tape that I just had it stuck back to so it wouldn't stick to everything. Okay, let's see. Now, silver leaf aside. Oh man. Okay. Now, this is going to be a little on the difficult side. Okay. Enough. My tool. My tool. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Oh, goodness. Okay, now. Yeah, that's what I want. Sorry, y'all. Ah. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to get those bolts to stay on the transfer tape, but it didn't work. Still not sure about the hair. Hold on. Alright. So cute. Now, a little bit of the eyeball is actually down in the hole. So adorable. Now, if I was gonna do it over, I would move those bolts in just a tiny bit. That is so cute. Okay. Now, that being said, this was actually my idea. Now, I'm not saying it hadn't been done before, because it probably has. So sorry. Okay. Same thing with these, with silver leaf. Okay. This one in particular is a very soft, flexible mold. But it is not as shiny as the other ones. But in this instance, it doesn't matter. The white that I put behind was just some leftover resin, and I did mix a tiny bit of the Unicone powder, but you cannot tell it. Okay, that one aside right now. This one, oh. Alright, hold on. I am gonna find my squeegee, or one of them. again, I will save the transfer tape. Alright. That is cute. Alright. 2 down. 1 to go. This one, I'm gonna try to find a skeleton face. Let me see what I can do. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Once again, I'm gonna save that transfer tape. You'll see why. The less sticky it becomes. Just like your Cricut / Silhouette mat, the happier you shall be. Because sometimes it oversticks. Okay. Not exactly what I had in mind, but there. They're cute! Okay, like I said, they'll all need a top coat. Just to seal in the vinyl. And of course, every little is gonna show up. But I don't care. It's still just experimenting. Okay. Alright, there they are. Oh, goodness. There's all kinds of free SVGs. Goodness, there's all kinds of SVGs on Etsy. I've bought a few myself. This particular set was a purchase set. I'll try to remember to link it down below. Okay, this one did not turn out the way I really expected it to. Mainly because of the in the middle. But it's so cute. And like I said, it just needs a top coat. And I'm really glad I didn't put the hair on top. Alright. So, there you are. Some more of my experimenting with my silhouette. Call it newbie experimenting if you want. But still, experimenting, and I'm having a blast. I know there are so many more things that can be done with it. I actually just downloaded something I want to do for my husband's truck window. He doesn't know it yet, but it just says fish on or something like that with a fish. He's going fishing right now. Alright, so I'll try to show some stills after these are domed and see what we think about them then. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe, y'all. It really does help my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll try to leave the links to some of these SVGs down below. Bye for now.